will see about acids, bases and salts. And acid, here acids are having pH less than 7, which are having pH less than 7. They neutralizes bases. They forms H plus ions in solution. They have corrosive reaction with most metals to form hydrogen gas, and they are good conductors of electricity. Here acids generate ions, that is HNO3 plus H2O gives H3O plus NO3. What happens here? Here acids generate ions. Then let us see the comparison between weak acid and strong acids. What are weak acids? Weak acids do not ionize completely. For example, acetic acid, boric acid, nitrous acid, phosphoric acid and sulfurous acid. While strong acids ionize completely. That is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Some common acids. Here hydrochloric acid. Where it is found? It is found in stomach. Then sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. Then nitric acid. Nitric acid, it is used in explosives. Then acetic acid. Acetic acid is used in vinegar. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid, it is used in sodas like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. While phosphoric acid is used in flavoring. In various flavors it is used. Now, what is base? What is a base? Base is having pH greater than 7. Then it feels slippery. It dissolves fats and oils. Base usually forms OH minus ions in solution, and it neutralizes acids. Once again, let us see a comparison between weak bases and strong bases. Here weak bases are ammonia, potassium carbonate and sodium carbonate. And strong bases, they are sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Then what are common bases? Sodium hydroxide and drain cleaner. Here sodium hydroxide is used in soaps. Then magnesium hydroxide, it is used in antacids. Then aluminum hydroxide, it is used in antacids and deodorants. Then ammonium hydroxide, which is used in ammonia. Now let us see types of acids and bases. What are the types of acids and bases? In 1800s, chemical concepts were based on the reactions of aqueous solutions. Here, Svend Arrhenius developed a concept of acids and bases relevant to reactions in water. Then what is Arrhenius acid? It produces hydrogen ions in water. What is Arrhenius base? Here Arrhenius base produces hydroxide ions in water. Here a broader and more modern concept of acids and bases was developed later. Now let us see Bronsted-Lowry acid. What is Bronsted-Lowry acid? Bronsted-Lowry acid, it donates a hydrogen ion in a reaction. Then what is Bronsted-Lowry base? What is Bronsted-Lowry base? It accepts a hydrogen in a reaction. Now let us see what is conjugate acid. Conjugate acid is nothing but a compound formed when a base gains a hydrogen ion. It is a compound formed when a base gains a hydrogen ion. Then what is conjugate base? Conjugate base is a compound formed when an acid loses a hydrogen ion. Here we can see the pH of various acids and bases. Lemon juice, it is having pH 2, wine is having pH 4, rainwater is having pH 5.5, human blood it is having pH 7.5, baking soda is having pH 8.5, detergent is having pH 10, and bleach it is having pH 12.5. So in this way we can see here the pH scale varying from acidic, neutral and basic. Now let us see pH of common substances. Hydrochloric acid is having pH 1, then caustic juice is having pH 1.6, lemon juice it is having pH 2.2, vinegar is having pH 2.8, carbonated beverage it is having pH 3, orange it is having pH 3.5, then apple juice it is having pH 3.8, pH of tomato is 4.2, pH of coffee is 5, pH of soil is 5.5, bread it is also having pH 5.5, then pH of potato is 5.8, pH of urine is 6, and what is the pH of milk? It is 6.4, then pH of water, that is pure water, is 7, pH of drinking water is 7.2, pH of blood is 7.4, then pH of detergents varies between 8 to 9, pH of bile is 8, pH of seawater is 8.5, and pH of milk of magnesia is 10.5, pH of ammonia it is 11, what is pH of bleach? It is 12, and at last pH of NaOH is 14. In this way pH scale varies from acidic to neutral to basic. Now let us see reactions with indicators. Reactions with indicator. Here we can see the indicator, then acid color, neutral color and base color. Then let us see pH paper. Here we can see the pH paper. pH paper changes color to indicate a specific pH value. Here pH paper changes color to indicate a specific pH value. Let us see buffers. What are buffers? A buffer is a solution that resists changes in pH when small amounts of acids and bases are added. A buffer is a solution that resists changes in pH when small amount of acids and bases are added. Then, situation in which pH is controlled. First one is hard one. Then planting vegetables and flowers. Planting vegetables and flowers. Then fish tanks and ponds. Then blood, swimming pools, acids and bases in solution. We will see a reaction that is HCl plus water gives H3O plus Cl minus. Means here more hydronium ions and more acidic. NaOH in water, NaOH means sodium hydroxide in water gives Na plus OH minus. That is more hydroxide ions means more basic. While in case of HCl plus water gives H3O plus Cl minus, in this case more hydronium ions means more acidic. Then sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives salt and water. So this is a neutralization reaction. Then ammonia gas plus water yields ammonium and hydroxide ions. And what is acid rain? What is acid rain? How the acid rain is formed? Here CO2 plus water gives H2CO3. Pollution in the air, that is sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, gases etc., combine with water to form various acids. Here sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide combines with water to form various acids. Now, rapid changes in pH can kill fish and other organisms in lakes and streams. Soil pH is affected and can kill plants and create sinkholes also. That's why in the ponds where fishes are cultivated, there the pH of water is controlled. Here we can see in diagram how the acid rain can harm a fish, or how the acid rain or when the pH of soil is changed, then how the plants are affected. What is a salt? A salt is a neutral substance produced from the reaction of an acid and a base. A salt is a neutral substance produced from the reaction of an acid and a base. Salt is composed of the negative ion of an acid and the positive ion of a base. Here, salt is composed of the negative ion of an acid and the positive ion of a base. One of the products of a neutralization reaction. That means salt is a product of a neutralization reaction. Example of salts are KCl, MgSO4, Na3PO4. All these are salts. Then what is neutralization reaction? A neutralization reaction is the reaction of an acid with a base to produce salt and water. Here, acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Examples are H2SO4 plus NaOH. H2SO4 plus NaOH gives NaHSO4 plus water. Now let us see the relation between digestion and pH. Digestion process by which foods are broken down into simpler substances. Digestion process is a process in which foods are broken down into simpler substances. Here, mechanical digestion. What is mechanical digestion? It is a physical process in which food is torn apart. Mechanical digestion is a physical process in which food is torn apart within the mouth. Then what is chemical digestion? Chemical digestion is nothing but a chemical reaction in which large molecules are broken down into smaller molecules. And this process happens in stomach and small intestine. This process of chemical digestion happens in stomach and small intestine. Then pH in digestive system. Here pH of mouth, here the pH within the mouth is around 7. Saliva contains amylase, which is an enzyme which begins to break carbohydrates into sugars. Saliva secreted within the mouth contains amylase. This is an enzyme which begins, this amylase is an enzyme which begins to break carbohydrates into sugars. Then the pH within the stomach is around 2. Here proteins are broken down into amino acids by the enzyme pepsin. Within stomach, proteins are broken down into amino acids by the enzyme called as pepsin. Then the pH within small intestine is around 8. Most digestion ends within the small intestine. Most of the part of digestion ends within the small intestine itself. Here small molecule moves to bloodstream towards cells that use them. Here small molecules move to bloodstream towards cells that use them. Digestive system consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. In this way, we have seen the topic acids, bases and salts.